Hey y'all, I'm back for day 25 of the challenge. We are almost there, y'all. I'm ready to see these transformation pictures, like how y'all doing, what's happening. Talk to me in the comments, okay? So anyway, I'm gonna get to it. You know what we do. Numbers were in here, 1 through 31. We don't have many left. I'm gonna shake this bag up and I'm gonna pull a number out and let's see what we get today. Today, I would also like a low number. I don't even know what's still left in here, but I know there's some 30s still left, or at least 30 and 31, I think, or maybe just 30. Anyway, okay, I got 17, so let me go and grab 17 items and I will be back. Hey y'all, I'm back with my 17 items, and today I got some oldies for you, okay? First one, bam. Remember when our cell phone cases looked like this? All right, I'm bringing y'all the old school Palm Pre. Let me see how you do this. With the QWERTY keyboard at the bottom. Oh, I was hot stuff when I got this, okay? Sprint used to be my company. Anyway, so I got that. Couldn't tell me nothing with the Palm Pre, okay? And then this beauty, the Motorola flip phone. So that's 2. Then I have an old school speaker set that hooks into each other and then hooks into the wall. And the rest are more books and budget planners and things that I am getting rid of. So those are my 17 items. I'm gonna take a picture as I do my haul. I did not do the haul, which means take all the things away. Last week, I was a woman down. But I'm back up now, and I'm gonna drop it all off in a few days, and then I'll do that haul then. All right, so keep cleaning, get rid of old tech, get rid of old books. You know, sometimes as a tech person, I wanna hold on to my technology, my flip phones and all that, but what am I gonna do with them? Just more stuff sitting around the house like these have been for years. I'll take a picture of them to have memories, but they are going to go in the recycle. All right, talk to you tomorrow for day 26. Bye-bye.